Ciao, amici and amici. This is Vito for Vito's Italian Cucina, and what I just said was, hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the show again. Hey, something special coming up for you. We took the Cucina out on the road. Yeah, we went to France, and we went to Spain, and we went to Italy, yes. And we went on a boat, and I'm going to tell you something. The seas were rough. We were rocking and a-rolling for sure. Now, what I'm going to show you is something that we did. There's going to be a lot of food you're going to see. I'm going to show you some food and a couple of great chefs. And what we did was I decided to take a little cooking class there. That's right. I still can learn. And I took a cooking class, and what we made was veal with prosciutto and mozzarella and some sage. That's right. And you're going to see us do that. But what I'm going to do on our shows, I'm going to do this for you too, but I'm not going to use the prosciutto because there's a lot of salt, and I got to watch my blood pressure, and maybe you do too. So I'm going to do that for an upcoming show. I want you to enjoy what you're going to watch right now. And plus, at the end of this, there's a little treat. There is a tiramisu that they did that's a little bit different than I've ever seen, and that's going to be something I'm going to do too. You'll see it, and I just hope you enjoy yourself, and thank you again for all the subscriptions and staying with us here on Vito's Italian Cucina. Ciao! I guess they're waiting for me.
Good evening, Madam Norita. Hello, sir, Vito. Welcome.
Very good. Everything is good.
Satish. Hi, thank you. Welcome to the cooking school. You are in Viking Neptune. And you are doing the cooking school for Italian cuisine.
Yes.
We are doing the mushroom and duck risotto. Hi, Eva. Hello, Prisha. Also, we have Madam Lisa. Hello, Kenneth, sir. Hi. Thank you for joining. Hi, Tammy. Hi, Vinci. Hello, Hannah. Hi, Taylor.
So we're making veal with prosciutto and sage and mozzarella.